Hi everyone, welcome to Under 3 Minutes Tableau Quick Tips and Tricks, especially for new users of Tableau. And here I'll explain you one issue or one mistake basically which new users commit while adding the filters. Okay, so let me take you to Tableau. Now, whenever someone adds a filter to the view, what they do is, let's say I add ship mode over here. Okay, so this is the default behavior of Tableau. So this will open and this is like general. So general tendency of a new user is to click on this select all button and then click OK. Now next time whenever data comes in, and let's say you have one or two, maybe two classes are added here. Okay, let's say superior class, inferior class or anything. So people think that they will be automatically selected, but that is not the case. Okay, so whenever a new value comes in, that will not be selected because this is a static selection. Whenever you click here from here, select from list, click all, and you click OK. The next time you refresh data and there are new values in this data, they will not be selected by this option. So let me show this filter. So right now it's showing all the classes are selected. Okay. Let's say if new class comes in. Okay. I'll show you practical example. I'm using this data set and I'll just modify this. Okay. I'm adding a new class called, let's say, superior class. Yeah. So I've added superior class. Okay. And now I will refresh my data and you will see what is the impact. Okay. So I've refreshed, I've revised the data. Now I will refresh my data here. So after refreshing the data, you see superior class appears, but it is not selected. So this is how you will experience. Let's say if you have tens of filters and every filter has new values coming in for the next month, you will have that unselected, and every time you will have to go and select this manually for all those filters, right? So to avoid this thing, always use all button over here, not select from list. So always keep this in mind. Whenever you have to use all the values, and even if the values are changing, just use this button, use all, and then click OK. This way, even if there is a new value coming in next month, it will be selected by default. Okay, so I hope this video was useful for you. Do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.